Hi friends, my name is Iván Emilio Sánchez Rincón. Good welcome to my presentation on the material design for face-to-face environments. The first question: what should LET materials have? The material has most the autonomous learning. Okay. Next presentations. What should LET materials have? Should LET materials have creativity, flexibility, the action recurse, memorization activities, autonomous motivations. Materials should be developed in autonomous learnings for students using their imagination through language. The material should put and instruct yourself to the students with the language to learn communication. Okay, the second question. Explain the mind of the following question proposal for principal approach to the development LET materials. The materials have the routine to develop the intellectual and emotional level via acquiring the language. To meet the needs of the students, to impart the thematic proposal of the principal of station. Okay. Max assegurate that the learners are exposed to sufficient samples of language in authentic user-proven natural cycling of language items and factors, which may be useful for the learners to acquire. Creation is the acquires and production delimited LET materials. They are good. Thank you for your attention. Reference. Okay, champions. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.